In population interaction, first interaction is the predator. In predator interaction, so what is happening is one species is benefited and another species is detrimented ante losing. For example, if you see the tiger and deer, tiger is taken the food as a deer, tiger is getting benefited, deer is losing its life. That means one is benefited, another one is a detriment. Then is it predator is required to maintain the ecosystem ecology? Yes, it's required because predator is biological control. Without predator, prey population would not be under control. Predator helps in the energy flow. If the plants are eaten by the herbivorous is taken by the primary carnivorous, then secondary climax, then only energy is moving from one tropical level to the another tropical. And it is also play a main role in the maintenance of the biodiversity. That's why predator is required. So some example we see how the predator is maintaining the ecology. Predator is biological control. If predator is not there, prey population would not be under control, energy flow will not be takes place, and if any exotic species are introduced, invasion, harmful will be takes place, predator is controlling that harmfulness. So for example, prickly pear cactus plant is introduced 1917 in Australia. So it is evoked a hectares of the area in Australia that will be controlled by the moth. So that means it is an exotic species. If a predator moth is not present, it would not be controlled. So that means predator is required to control the invasion means harmness of the exotic species. So example, prickly pear cactus plant in Australia 1917 is controlled by the moth. And another one is the predator maintaining the species diversity. If predator is present, there is no competition between the prey population. That means interspecific competition will be reduced. Example, in American Pacific coastal area, Rock Sea coastal area, if you observe, starfish is the predator. Experimentally, they remove these starfish. Then what happened? Immediately what they observed is 10 invertebrate species are extincted, not appeared within a 1 year, because the competition between these prey will be increases, which lead to the extinction of the species. So that's why a predator is required to maintaining the species diversity. Predator is the prudy, that means intelligent. Unnecessarily predator doesn't kill the prey population. If prey population is decreases, automatically predator population is also decreases. Prey avoid the predator. How it is avoiding is by camouflage. Camouflage means by changing its color. Insects, frogs, chameleon, they are changing its color to escaping from the predator. Disagreeable taste. Monarch butterfly is the best example for the distastefulness. These monarch butterfly during the caterpillar stage, it eat the poisonous weed. Then it is becoming disagreeable taste. No animal is interested to take it as a food. Plant adaptations. 25% of insects are depending on plants, but plants cannot move like animals. Animals can escape from the predator by running or any other method. But here plants cannot move. Then how they are overcoming? Morphological changes. That means developing the thorns like acacia, cactus, rose. Or chemical changes. Calotropus, Gilead. Calotropus is having the cardiac glycosides. That's why no grazing cattle eat it as a food, especially goats. Bitter taste. Caffeine, morphine, opium, quinine, strychnine like chemicals are produced by the plants which is giving bitter taste. That's why no animal is interested to take it as a food. So these are also called the alkaloids, alkali nature, bitter nature they are present. No animal is interested to take it as a food.